These days, who really has the time or patience to make those old labor-intensive boreks anymore? Let me show you this quick borek recipe that's 10 times tastier than the traditional one. In a pan, saute an onion until it becomes slightly golden. Then add chopped garlic and saute a bit more until its aroma is released. Next, add a cup of fresh or frozen spinach, it doesn't matter which, and saute it a bit until the spinach wilts. Then remove the mixture from the heat, transfer it to another bowl and let it cool. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs. Beat the eggs a little with a fork until they become smooth. Then add the mixture you sauteed and let cool to the eggs. Add some chopped parsley, either fresh or frozen, a spoonful of mint, and some salt and black pepper. Finally, crumble some white cheese and mix all the ingredients together. For the dough of this borek, I used puff pastry, which is ready-made millefeuille dough. You can make your borek in any style you like using this dough. Poke the dough a bit with a fork. I brushed the edges of my dough with a bit of egg because I want to sprinkle white and black sesame seeds around it, which makes it much tastier and more elegant. Then I put the borek filling in the center of the dough and spread it out. I also drizzle some olive oil over the entire borek. You can also make this borek in other styles. For example, you can make it in a rolled style, which turns out very delicious and elegant. It becomes like a finger food, and you can even freeze it and bake it in the oven or air fryer whenever you want. Also, you can change the filling of this borek however you like. You can even add ground meat or chicken on top, or you can make it vegetarian, any style you like. It's incredibly flexible and easy. Place the boreks in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius so they turn golden like this. Just listen to how pleasant the crispy sound is. By the way, you can even make these boreks with phyllo dough. Layer the phyllo dough in your dish. Brush melted butter between the layers. Add the filling on top and bake it in the oven until golden.